My great-grandparents bought this home in 1938 when they immigrated from Germany. They raised my grandma and her sister Marion here. James and I bought the home, and we had Bennett come in, and we made it our own.
I grew up right here in South Bethlehem. I actually lived on this road, and growing up, I drove past this house every single day, and even my parents just loved it. It was always the beautiful farmhouse on the hill.
Every single aspect within the house had to be looked at and designed and thought about and replanned. So the sheer scope of it made it a team effort with the design team at Bennett.
Before Bennett came in, it was outdated. There was evidence of, 70, 80 years of a lot of love.
We work really closely with our customers to make sure that they are heard, they are understood. Communication is key in everything that we do.
We really like to see the client's vision reflected into the work.
Something that was really important to us was having a big kitchen. We feel that that's the center of the home, that's where everybody gathers. So that was I think our biggest undertaking, trying to make that space feel warm and inviting for our friends and our family.
It's rewarding to see the connection that we have had with this house in the design process, and then the connection that our customers have.
Seeing a project completed, I think, is the best part, because we've taken a concept that was born in the customer's mind, developed through our processes, and then realized in physical form.
This was a huge undertaking, and really there was no hiccup. Everything was so seamless. It was a very easy project to navigate with the help of Bennett.